Jury deliberations are happening now in the sex trafficking and racketeering trial of Sean Diddy Combs. The judge in the case gave the jury its instructions this morning. The prosecution and defense gave their closing arguments last week following 7 weeks of testimony. Combs, who has denied the allegations against him, is facing 15 years to life in prison if convicted. CBS News national correspondent Jericka Duncan has been following this trial from the beginning and joins us now from outside the courthouse in Lower Manhattan. Jericka, it's great to see you. We have a bit of a development regarding one of the jurors. What happened?
We heard that the juror number 25 is actually having questions about how to sort of take all of this information in that they were given for over 2.5 hours and apply it to those charges. Behind me right now, though, I wanted to make sure I mention this. This is the Combs family in this Sprinter. They're going to be getting out in a few moments, but they left during the break. They've been here. I don't know if you can see this woman right here is Nicole Westmoreland, one of the defense attorneys. It looks like we've got a bus that's coming through, so you won't be able to see them, but wanted to press or make sure that we acknowledge that as it's happening live. But as far as that juror is concerned, this is why we have alternates, because if there is a problem, and even the judge mentioned this, we still want our 6 to be nearby. You have to be ready at any moment to become an alternate, even at this crucial moment. And the next person up would be juror number 234. I was looking for some information that we have on that, Meg, and that juror number 234, if the juror is replaced for any particular reason. It's a mother who used to work in security for office buildings at a number of places. None were listed on her sheet. She had seen the Combs case prior to becoming a juror as part of this federal trial. But let's go back a little bit, because the jurors were given a number of instructions, and this is a very complicated statute in of itself. A lot of attorneys talk about that. You're talking about a racketeering conspiracy case where the prosecutor said Combs led a criminal enterprise, and within that, they only have to find the jurors that he committed 2 of 8 acts. Some of them include arson and bribery and sex trafficking, prostitution and things of that nature. But this is interesting that so early on, they haven't even been deliberating for 3 hours yet, and already there's a question about just understanding the instructions.
All right, Jericka Duncan, thank you so much.